Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.